quick update on the big Delta I'm building. The frame is done. It is put together. I did have to attach both to the table and to the wall because at this length, 2000 millimeter, it's not stable by itself. There's like a wobble, so hence attaching it to the wall, which makes it all stable. The rails are all in place. The bed right now is just lying on top. I'll have to put some brackets in place for that. It's a 6 millimeter aluminum plate. There's some magic that's going to happen here, which I will come back to later. It's got the Delta Effector on there. I still have to do the wiring. This week I've been working on the case for the panel doué, the 7-inch panel. I built the brackets for the power source. The power source will actually probably go somewhere down there. I have to figure that out because of course it's going to affect the wiring. Still have to add the end stops to 2 of the additional axes and then probably lengthen the wires to make it to the board. The board's here. It's going to be attached to an acrylic plate and kind of attached to the frame in a similar fashion like this. The reason I have all these hinges on here is because I want to be able to travel with this printer. So if I travel, I kind of want to put everything inside the confines of the frame, so that way when I shove it into my Prius, it will not break off, hopefully. And the same will go for the electronics board. I've got the 2 vent holes in there, so this printer is running 2 or 3 NEMA 23 motors, so the chips will be probably running hot. There's 2 channels underneath here, and they will have 2 24-volt fans on here that will blow air to the back of the board, because that's where all the heat is dissipating in this Duet Wi-Fi board, and that'll hopefully keep things cool. Yes, the Slinky will be part of this printer too, but I'll get to that later as well. So here we are. Right now I am working on additional brackets for the actual board, and then I'll be cutting white acrylic to a length, and I will attach that, and it will have a backing and a front, and I'll hopefully be able to detach the front easily to get to all the wiring. So that's it for now. I will post another update if I have more to show. I'm guessing the next step will be to actually start homing and then doing some calibration to see if all of that works. So get back to you later.